Hey guys, it's Ron. It's online. Yeah, online. Stand by. Yeah, I'm doing a test on OBS. Um, I definitely need a new monitor. I have to get a monitor for represent my computer. This is too disoriented. So Black Friday in November, that's when I'm gonna buy the monitor. I'm looking for a 21-inch monitor. Sit right beside my laptop, so I can look at the chat, OBS settings. They're going way over here, getting completely disoriented. Really distracting. When I'm reading the chat, talking in the chat, then you can't hear me on the mic. I need a monitor. So guys, thanks for joining today. Just a test. Um, I took a screenshot yesterday when I had the errors coming back in OBS, and I sent it to my buddy in Texas, and he said, laughing out loud, he says your keyframes are set to 8. They should be set to 2. So I went into the settings, and lo and behold, it was set to 0. It was automatic. So he said set it to 2. So I set it to 2. I'm gonna let this run for about 5 minutes. This live stream, 5-10 minutes, and see what happens. I'm gonna keep checking my stream health. Fine. Say something here. This is where it gets disoriented. When I have to switch to OBS, go way over here. These are the times around the world right now. New York, 8:16 a.m. London, 1:16 p.m. Tokyo, 9:16 p.m. New Delhi, 5:46 p.m. You know, this is almost a real good time to do a live stream around the world because there's so many countries that it's an early time. Tel Aviv, 3:15, 3:17. Sydney, 11:17 p.m. Um, Cambodia, 7:17 p.m. Istanbul, well, can't pronounce that. 5:17 p.m. The only bad part is the United States is too early in the morning for people in the United States. But so many of my viewers are from Asia and the Middle East and down under. So just debating. Maybe I should make my live streams earlier in the morning. Um, maybe 7 a.m. Instead of 9 or 8. Need your feedback, guys. 17. Even gaming. Where are you from? I'm losing track. I got so many people I know. Losing track of the countries. Where are you from? You're in New York. Oh, it's 8. Okay, 18. That's cool. Um, it actually might be a good time to do live stream. That's something to think about. Let's share. Share something here. Uh, I've been really toiling with DaVinci. When I was researching yesterday, and seeing there's a user base of 2 million people using DaVinci Resolve 16. I couldn't believe it. That's a huge amount of people. So I'm going to contact Magix today. I should get a response tomorrow. Find out what the user base is on Vegas Pro. So I'm going to start doing tutorials on DaVinci again. But I'm not giving up on Vegas Pro because Vegas Pro is still my favorite video editor. I love it. I can work so fast in it. I'm so used to it. You can create all kinds of videos, effects, super quick. DaVinci is, some of the things are similar to Vegas Pro, and some of the things are completely different. When you're dealing with keyframes in DaVinci, it is completely different. It's very confusing. I think once I get used to it, it'll probably be easy. Keyframes in Vegas are so simple to use. Vegas is a very user-friendly program once you get to learn how to use it. And if you can't afford Vegas Pro, get Movie Studio, Vegas Movie Studio. It's only, I think, $80 for Platinum, and you can do almost all the effects you can do in Vegas Pro, except you don't have all the compositing modes. All you have is Source Alpha, Multiply Mask. Whereas in Vegas Pro, you have, I think, 13 different compositing modes. Let me just check my screen health. Wow, everything's fine still. Falling into it. Everything is 100% fine. I can't believe one little setting a 0 to automatic to setting it to 2, fixed it. I got send the guy in his name is if you check out his YouTube channel, this guy's pretty bright. His name is Noble Arcade, and I gotta call him and thank him again because everything right now is running 100% perfect. Stream is running perfect, excellent stream health, no errors, no nothing, and scheduling is working as well. So it's just one little wee setting in OBS was causing all these problems. Propelled unicycle is stream is 100%. It's perfect. There's no errors, no nothing. Even gaming, there's nothing wrong with movie studio. I started a movie studio back in 2010. And I went to Vegas Pro in 2016. My version of Photoshop is CS5. I bought it in 2010. I'll show you. This is my Photoshop here. This is a new video coming out Monday on I haven't finished the thumbnail yet, on creating backgrounds in Zoom with video instead of images. I'm using video. I really like Photoshop. I've been using Photoshop since about 1997. It came bundled with a scanner I bought in 97. I think it's Photoshop 4 back then. And I love that program. I love Photoshop. It's an awesome program. So the new versions are the CS versions. They're subscription based, which suck because they make you pay. They can get it for $9.99 a month, but you can't buy it. I bought these outright. Paid a lot of money for them, but I bought them outright, and they still work. 10 years later, this program still works 100%. Everything is going subscription nowadays. I can't believe it because they're learning. There's more money in subscription software than there is in selling you the software outright. Me, I bought this 10 years ago at Photoshop. I have no need to upgrade because it works 100% perfect. No reason to upgrade. It still works. The tutorials on if I'm stuck on something and I need a tutorial on Photoshop, all I do is just go online. I find that Photoshop is even a 1-year-old version of Photoshop will still be applicable to my 10-year-old version of Photoshop. It still works. Photoshop, there's a steep learning curve. Once you get used to it, it is extremely powerful. You can do almost anything in that program. It's worth every penny. I'm so happy that I got it back in '97. It's an awesome program. So I'm just check my stream health here, guys. This is where it usually kicks in for problems. No problems at all. That was a problem. Just one little setting in OBS was wrong. That's all it was. I can't believe it. So I can now schedule streams, no problems. I don't have to worry about anything going wrong. So tomorrow I'm having a video coming out. It's gonna be on Zoom backgrounds. I'll enhance your Zoom meetings. And I'm thinking of getting a green screen. Now, everyone's telling me you can get green screens at the dollar store for $1. I have to somehow put it up. I don't know how to hang it behind me. Uh, I'll figure something out. But I want to start using green screens. If you use a green screen with Zoom, it's crystal clear. Your image, your body is just perfectly, background is perfectly keyed out. Your body is just nice and sharp. Whereas when you don't use a green screen, you start moving around, you start seeing these weird weird effects. These parts of your fingers disappear. Kind of crazy. But it's still pretty cool technology. This is where this disoriented. I had a monitor right here. I just look at the chat, but now I have to go way over here to the chat, and my mic is so far away. Gaming. That's the problem with software. Almost all software nowadays. Okay, Email Gaming. Thanks for dropping by. Have a good day, guys. Take care. Where's Shroom show up? Because it's really not. He's probably out fishing. $100. Shroom is out fishing. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a day, guys. Thanks a lot for dropping by. It's a test stream. The stream is still 100%. We've been almost 15 minutes now into it, and everything's running 100% perfect. 100% perfect. So keep an eye out for that tutorial Monday tomorrow about Zoom backgrounds. Okay, catch you guys later. Have a good day, guys, and take care.